If you are thinking about hitting dirt trails instead of just cruising city streets, you need a bike that can actually handle the abuse. You are watching Triplezon, and today I am checking out the e-Carpat mountain bike. It is built tough, packed with suspension, and designed for rough terrain. Let us see what it really offers riders. The foundation of the e-Carpat mountain bike is its C160mm thick carbon steel frame. Right away, you can feel that this bike is built with durability in mind. Carbon steel frames are known for their strength and impact resistance, which makes a big difference when you are riding over rocky trails, routes, or uneven terrain. Instead of feeling flex or instability, the frame stays solid under pressure. For riders who want confidence going downhill or climbing steep inclines, that sturdiness matters a lot. When you take it onto rough paths, the strong frame helps maintain control even when the surface is unpredictable. Whether you are navigating gravel, dirt, or loose stones, the structure feels secure. It is especially reassuring for beginner to intermediate riders who want a bike that feels dependable rather than fragile. Braking performance is another key part of this bike. The advanced braking system is designed to deliver faster and safer stopping power. On steep descents or wet surfaces, reliable brakes are critical. With this setup, you get responsive control that shortens braking distance and improves overall safety. That extra stopping confidence can make a huge difference when you need to react quickly to obstacles or sudden turns. Over time, efficient braking also over time in necessary tire wear and helps extend the lifespan of the brake pads, which adds to the long-term value. One of the biggest highlights here is the full suspension system. Mountain biking can be physically demanding, especially on bumpy trails. The full suspension absorbs shocks from rocks, dips, and uneven surfaces, helping you maintain traction and stability. Instead of feeling every impact through the handlebars and seat, the suspension smooths things out. This not only improves comfort but also reduces fatigue on longer rides. You can stay in control and ride longer without feeling completely worn out. The combination of a sturdy carbon steel frame, strong braking system, and full suspension creates a balanced riding experience. It feels capable on mountain trails, but it can also handle urban paths with potholes or curbs. That versatility makes it suitable for riders who want one bike that can do a little bit of everything. Overall, the e-Carpat mountain bike focuses on durability, control, and comfort. It is built to handle challenging terrain while keeping the rider stable and confident throughout the ride. The biggest strength of this bike is its solid carbon steel frame, which provides durability and confidence on rough terrain. It feels sturdy under pressure, making it ideal for trails and uneven surfaces. The advanced braking system offers reliable stopping power, which is essential for safety during downhill rides or in wet conditions. Full suspension significantly improves comfort by absorbing shocks and reducing fatigue on long rides. Together, these features create a stable and controlled riding experience that works well for both trail exploration and mixed terrain use. Carbon steel frames tend to be heavier than aluminum alternatives, so the bike may feel slightly heavier when lifting or transporting. Riders focused purely on lightweight speed performance might prefer a lighter frame material. Also, full suspension systems can require more maintenance over time compared to hardtail designs. If you are a beginner or intermediate rider looking to explore mountain trails, dirt paths, or mixed terrain, this bike is a solid option. It is great for outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize durability and comfort over ultra-lightweight racing performance. Riders who want a stable and confidence-inspiring mountain bike for weekend adventures will appreciate what this offers. That is my take on the e-Carpat mountain bike. If you are ready to tackle tougher trails, check the purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching Triplezon. If this review helped you, hit like, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. I will see you in the next one.